Hey there, this is Lore, and today you will learn how to make a dark denim jacket lighter and also how to add some bling for a complete makeover. Here is what you need for the bleaching part. A bucket or plastic container. In this case I found that an empty drawer like this one was also perfect for this project. You also need a denim jacket and plastic gloves and bleach. I used around 2 cups or 16 ounces of bleach. And now it's time to make some magic happen. First, I filled the drawer with enough water to cover the jacket completely. And with my gloves on, I poured the bleach in the water. Then it was time to say goodbye to my dark denim jacket and put it in the water, hoping that it will work. To make sure it was all immersed in the water, I used some mason jars like this and also tried to put down all those parts that were trying to flow to the surface. Set a timer for 2 hours and let the bleach work. It's magic.
2 hours, starting now.
2 hours later.
Now it's time to move the jacket around so nothing is folded in a weird way for too long. And just to make sure that all the parts of the jacket are being evenly soaked. I did 3 more rounds of 2 hours each and moved the jacket around between each one of those rounds.
Later that same evening.
Finally, after 8 hours in total, it started to look lighter, so I drained out the water and put the jacket in the washer. After washing and drying, it came out like this. It's just a couple shades lighter, which was perfect for me. If you want a more dramatic transformation, you can use more bleach or leave it longer in the water. Now this baby is ready to hang out, but if you are also into that bling life, stay with me. For this second part of the video, we are going to use a rhinestone fringe, just like the one I shared in this other tutorial. I got it from Amazon and I will leave the links of where you can find it down in the description box. I also used a syringe and a precision tip because we are going to glue those rhinestones very similar to how I did in my Converse shoes tutorial. But this time I'm going to use the gem tack glue. This one takes a bit longer to dry compared to the X6000 I used on the shoes, but the good thing is that this one doesn't have toxic fumes, so that's better and I can wait. Okay, process number 2. First thing first, and that is to fill the syringe with glue. And then place the precision tip, try not to drop the syringe just like I did, and then push the glue to the top again. Once it's ready, we are going to apply it to the jacket, but first let's put something firm underneath like this cardboard box. Start applying a line of glue next to the seam lines just like this. Then take the rhinestone fringe and place it carefully on top of the glue. I started with the edges and then little by little aligning the rest in the middle. Then I press it bit by bit with my finger just to make sure everything was aligned and in contact with the glue. As you can see, the glue looks white, but once it dries out, it will be practically invisible. And the jacket looks nice just like this, but I decided to add a little bit more rhinestones on the side, so let's do this. Repeat on the other side and then just wait for the glue to dry out.
1 hour later.
The glue is no longer visible and our rhinestones are secure in place, so we can try on this jacket. And I think it looks pretty cute. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. Remember that in your hands lies the power to turn the invisible into visible, so let's make some magic and have fun. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!